Welcome to Gong Show Garage. As you can see now, the trees are done. I got little bits of video of how we did it with the chainsaw and the hedge trimmer. But as you can see, they all turned out really nice. So if you come over to this side, you can see how nicely manicured the corners are and all that. That's just done with our own stuff. This side's a little bit brutal because of the fact that we had some problems with these trees, so we're trying to bring them back because I wasn't maintaining them properly. So now once we start maintaining them, hopefully they'll come back. I'm going to water them a lot more, but that's besides the point. These trees, as you'll see in the video, were way taller, so you'll see how much that was cut down off of them. And I want to show you what equipment we did to make that such a successful turnout. So what we're showing, what we're using for our landscape equipment is the EGO mower. It's been a great unit. It's self-propelled. I've had it about 3 years now. It's been very dependable. This one comes with the big 7.5 amp battery, which is interchangeable. I will sometimes come home and do my lawn with the headlights on self-propel mode with just this, and I can still do it. So this is a 2.5 amp battery. This is the 5 amp battery. That's the 7.5 amp battery. So I'll show you in the video that I can swap any one of these batteries onto the equipment and use them for each other. So the blower I like to use quite often because I use it for aerating my lawn. As ridiculous as that sounds, the wind force that comes off the bottom of this thing actually penetrates the soil, so it actually really makes my lawn a lot healthier. Here's the weed eater I use, and here's the hedge trimmer that we used. Now the hedge trimmer I'm very fond of. It's got a 1-inch cut, so what I'll do is I will throw a battery on. I'll show you how wide the cut is. So what I do is if I'm doing the bottom half of my trees, I don't mind a little bit more weight, so I'll throw a 5 amp on. The D handle, I can turn it on from any spot there. I can turn the safety on. So I hold the button down. That's how big of a cut it's got. It's a 1-inch cut. So when we were going through some of the top of that stuff and down here, it actually chewed right through it, no problem. And that's what did all the sculpturing around the corners, was done with this one. So I'll put that one down. For the top of the trees and all that stuff, we use the Power Head. And the difference between the EGO and a lot of the other ones, you'll see a lot of the other ones just have a small little square in there. These are actually a gear drive, so it's a lot nicer unit. And their lock system is really nice on these. Clicks in, tighten, you're done. To release it, to change units, that's it. So pops in really nicely. This is the chainsaw. So now I'll quickly turn it on just so you can hear it. The power head's a 2-speed, so we did a lot of it on 1, but 2, watch how fast the chain will spin. Oh, I guess in this particular unit you got to put a battery on it. That's 2. So it's got lots of cutting force, and it cut through the top of the trees. We were cutting cores about that big around without a problem. So now let's say I have to go a little bit further. I can actually put an extender in. It's kind of nice too, they come with all these plug ends on it. I've already lost 2, but it's just how I roll. So this is an accessory that I bought. It's about anywhere between 80 and 100 bucks for it, but it gives me that extra distance. And as you can see, it reaches the top of my trees, no problem. So, now when I have the extender pull on, I will try and run around with a 2.5 amp battery because it is lighter. But this is a 5 amp battery on it, and I have a muscle nerve disorder, so it is a bit heavy, but even with the 5 amp, I don't find it that much of a challenge. One of the guys that was using my unit was using the 7.5 on it just for fun, just to see how it worked. And we're going to put on the articulating. There you go. this is really cool. So this one here, I can articulate it, and it'll lock in from there all the way around to here. So if you want, you can go with that. You can see I can, without a problem, that's on 2. Easily reach the top. And you can buy the weed eater. Now you have the weed eater. So that's just some of the units we wanted to show you, and how to clean and trim the bushes.
All that brown. Pull that piece up.